Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hugs, hugs. Kiss, kiss. We love you. Have you ever wondered how it rains? We're going to do us an experiment to see how does it rain? Here are the things to do my experiment with. I have a vase with some water. I have food coloring. I have a cup of water and an eyedropper from one of my science tools, as well as shaving cream. Let's put this first. The shaving cream will represent clouds. So I'm going to put the clouds in my water. Ooh, look at that. Does that look like clouds? Then I'm going to put some food coloring in my cup of water. And I'm going to stir it up. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn about this thing called a water cycle. To start the water cycle, the sun heats the water from the oceans and lakes on Earth and turns the water into a gas. This process is called evaporation. The gas goes all the way up in the sky and forms these water droplets that turn into clouds, and that's called condensation. When the water droplets in the clouds begin to get bigger and bigger, they start to fall back down to the ground due to gravity on Earth, and this is called precipitation. So I'm going to put my dye in my cloud like they are the raindrops or the water droplets. And when you watch, all of a sudden, you'll see rain falling. I'll try to zoom in so you can see it. There's the rain. So this is called the water cycle. Did you like that? So there were 3 words that we kind of learned through this experiment. Evaporation, where water turns into a gas. Condensation, where the water turns into water droplets and form clouds. And precipitation, where the water turns into rain. And it's because the water falls due to gravity on the Earth. Let's go see what Miss Julie and Miss Judy are doing.
We're going to be doing an activity with our names. You're going to need a piece of paper, your scissors, and a marker. So you're going to start by taking your piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half and you're going to cut it in half. So on one half, you're going to write your first name. You want to make sure you do it really big. and you want to leave a good amount of space in between each letter because you're going to be cutting each letter. Now take the other piece of paper and write your last name. Same thing. You want to make it big, and you want to leave a good amount of space in between each letter because we're going to be cutting each letter out. Now you're going to cut each letter out. And you can kind of be creative with the way that you are cutting it out. Just practicing different patterns with your cutting, however you want to do it. Now you take your last name and do the same exact thing. Again, you can get creative with the way that you're cutting it. So now you're going to take it all and you're going to mix it all up. And now you're going to spell out your name. So J, U, L, see, and it's going to match it up. I, E, and you want to make sure you get the one that matches the way that you cut it. You see how this E doesn't match up? So I gotta find another E. Nope, that E doesn't match either. There we go, that E matches. Now my last name, M, C, G, and there we go, you gotta see which E goes first. See, that doesn't line up. It's like putting a puzzle together. There we go. E, E. And then at the end of it, you should have put it all together. It's like putting a puzzle together of your name. All right, now you guys try your name.
Let's read this book. This is called Counting in the Garden. Is this where we read? No, this is the title page. Oh, look! This is dedicated to the one I love, to Philippe and Maggie, two creatures I always count on. One cat purring in the garden. Do you see the cat? There it is. It looks like a flower. Two turtles meeting in the leaves. Oh, do you see them? Three dogs frolicking in the posies. Four bunnies finding love in the shade. Look at them. 5 dragonflies darting between the daisies. Let's find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 ladybugs tiptoeing along a stem. Look at that. 7 birds nesting among the blossoms. So blossoms is another word for flowers that bloom. 8 bumblebees buzzing in the blooms. Bzzz. Hey, that's our Z sound. Z, z, like zebra. 9 inchworms inching toward the petals. Do you see them? They're on the leaves. Cool. 10 butterflies flitting among the flowers. Let's count. Counting in the garden from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The end. Let's play us a game. This game is called How Many Bugs on a Leaf? I have leaves that I cut out of just construction paper, and I have some mini erasers, and you can use whatever you want, buttons, chips, paper clips, and pretend that they are bugs. I've got mini butterflies. And then, of course, I've got my numbers from my Number Sense toolkit. So let's look at the first number. And what number is that? 8. Yes, so I'm going to put 8 butterflies on my leaf. 1, 2, help me count. 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, the leaf is getting crowded. 7, 8. So I have 8 butterflies on my leaf. Let's look at the next number. What's this number? Yes, 2. Let's put it on this leaf. 2. 1, 2. Now I've got 8 on this one and 2 on this one. Let's count how many in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count on. 9, 10. I have 10 in all. Let's do another one. Take my bugs off. Let's look at the next number. What number is it? 5. Let's put 5 here. Ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, what's the next number? 6. Let's put 6 bugs here. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bugs do I have in all? 5 plus 6. Let's count. Ready? Let's count on. Did you count 11? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11! I want you to try this at home. Use your numbers from your Number Sense toolkit. Have your mom or dad draw you some leaves. Get you some chips or buttons or whatever you have, Legos at home. And use your numbers, just like 5 and 6. Put them on the leaves and add them up.
Hi kiddos, we're back in Miss Judy's kitchen for another little activity that you guys can do at home with not a whole lot of supplies, something easy peasy that your moms and dads and whoever can pull together easily. I'm using Easter eggs. The idea is you can use whatever you want. So we've got our tray and we're gonna put items in there, but one of them is going to be different. And you have to tell me which is the different item and why it's different. So there we go. What do you think? Which one is different? You're right, it's the green one. All right, now you guys do one. I'm going to put these in there and you tell me. All right, friends, which one is the different one? Good job, it's the blue one. Yay!
So Miss Judy was teaching us about what is same and what is different. You should try that at home. Maybe you can use your chain links and put 3 of one color and 1 of the other and figure out which one is different. I hope you learned something today. What did you learn? I wonder. But remember, play nice, stay kind, and work hard. Make the most of your mind.